Most people think snoring is a normal part of sleeping. This is because 45% of adults snore occasionally, and it is frequently harmless. And while this is somewhat true, in most cases, snoring is not normal and is actually caused by an obstructed airway. You see, human jaws used to be significantly larger, but have shrunk over the last 15,000 years. Having larger jaws increased the volume of the upper airway, providing more space for the tongue and allowing air to easily pass when you slept. Now, when people with smaller jaws sleep at night, their tongue can fall backward during sleep, obstructing the throat and causing tissue vibration, which we call snoring. Do you know someone who snores?